and welcome back to Today We Craft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fabric bookmarks. Now the best thing about this craft is it can literally be made with scraps. You always end up with small pieces left over from other projects and they just end up hanging around not really doing anything. So once I have a small piece of fabric left, I generally try and cut it up into 3 or 4 inch squares, just because at least then they have half a chance of being turned into a quilt or something. And conveniently, this particular project requires just 3 4 by 4 inch squares. You're also going to need 3 4 by 4 inch pieces of interfacing that you're going to iron onto the reverse side of your fabric. Next you need to decide which piece of fabric you want to be the front. I'm going to do the yellow piece, same as my previous one, and that piece you fold in half and give a quick press to give a nice crisp edge. Now we're going to make a little sandwich. Place one of your pieces face side up, then the triangle on top of that, and then the other piece right side down. Before you sew around the edge, make sure you mark to leave an opening that you can pull it through. Then either use pins or quilter's clips and sew around all 3 sides, making sure that you're leaving the opening. Reverse stitch the first part to secure, and then when you get to the corners, leave your sewing needle down, lift the sewing foot, turn the fabric and drop it down again. If you enjoy my tutorials, why not hit that subscribe button? It costs you absolutely nothing but really helps out the channel. You need to snip off all 4 corners to make sure you get a nice crisp point. Then you can turn the whole thing the right way around, using something like a knitting needle or the end of a paintbrush to push out the corners. Fold over the opening and give the edges a press to make them nice and crisp. Once pressed, we're going to sew down these 2 sides. You may find it difficult to guide the fabric through the machine at this point, so I recommend inserting a needle into the fabric behind where the machine needle is to help you guide it through. Sew around these 2 sides, making sure you go forwards and backwards at the ends to secure. Snip off any loose threads, and that's your bookmark finished! See? I told you it was quick! If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support means the world to me and it helps the channel to grow. If you want to take your support to the next level, you can now send a super thanks. It's a fantastic way to contribute and to show some extra love. Your super thanks directly supports the channel, allowing me to create even more content that you love. I appreciate every bit of support that you give. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!